I'm Coach Bobby Hosea, and welcome to my helmet-free tackle safety and performance training course. This course is a derivative of my original dip and ripstick swords to play by 12-step tackle progression system that I created back in 1997. It's also known as my Big Hits high-intensity tackle training systems, bringing intelligence to the game. And it's known as the Hosea method. What is the Hosea method? The Hosea method is a combination of science and technology designed to enlighten and empower players, parents, coaches, athletic administrators, game officials, and athletic trainers on how to readily identify, eliminate, and replace the physical mechanisms, the tackling terminology, the tackling drills, and tackling techniques that lead directly to crown-first impact or helmet exposure to contact while a defender is in the act of making a form tackle or an angle tackle. The two most overcoached and misunderstood tackling scenarios in the sport of American tackle football.